In this video I'm going to show you how to use the color only ink cartridge setting in your Canon Pixma printer. Now switch on the printer and connect to your device like MacBook or a laptop. Go to the screen. So I'm just cancelling these first. Go to the launchpad and open the system preferences. Click on the printers and scanners. On the next window select your Canon printer. So this is Canon MG2522. Select options and supplies, utility, printer, open printer utility, and in this window we have to select the ink cartridge settings. Select color only. So it has three options like color, black only, and then both black and color. So I'm just using the color only ink cartridge and click on the apply button and click OK. So this way we can change the ink cartridge settings to color only. So it will only use the color ink cartridge and it's not going to use the black. And if you want to change the setting again, you can just go in the same way and change the settings. Thanks for watching.